Okay, so this Avis 80 Ti 40, I've thrown everything I got at this lock, and if you're familiar with my picking style, you'll know that I'm not picky about my picking, and I'll do pretty much whatever it takes to get a lock open, whether that's SPP or zipping or hybrid. And when I actually get this lock open, so that's about as fast as I can pick this lock. And I'll show you the bidding, because I want you to see something here. So the bidding on this lock seems pretty crazy, right? Just so happens that this Master 150 has bidding like this. Okay, this American 1100 has bidding like this. Okay, and this Ace has bidding like that. I think I see something in common. So needless to say, if you wanted to trick me up or slow me down in lock picking, you probably ought to bid the key like this. Yeah, just saying.